Okay, so here we are in chapter 9, and every time we open a new chapter, no matter what one it is, oh, maybe not. Let's see if I'll load again with chapter 9. Here's our lab 9, and our 3 routers. Okay. The only thing different from the book and this is that this lab B router is supposed to also have a host on it. However, there's no IP address or interface going to that host in the book, so I don't think it's used. And here we go. So each one of these already have been configured in this thing, and I don't know how to make that stop. So hands-on lab, here we are, chapter 9, IP routing. In our lab, because these chapters are so messed up recently, I verified that lab A right here, which is router A is what I'm going to call it. The FA00 is 172.168.1.0.1, and the serial interface is also 172.168.1.21. And so I've actually verified all of these, except for the fact that these have IP addresses, and in our lab we don't have those. Let's see here. 1716.20.2, that's right there. Yeah, so, okay, we're just gonna carry on. Whatever. We need to review these books. Not we, but obviously somebody needs to review these books and make sure that they match up. So, Hands-on Lab 9.1. Hands-on Lab 9.1 is creating static routes, and you can follow along with me. I'm on page 402 in my CCNA Routing and Switching Complete Deluxe Study Guide. That is obviously doesn't align with this virtual simulator. However, we're winging it, so let's keep going. So 9.1 is creating static routes. The Lab A router is connected to 2 networks. 172, let's open the topology so you can see this. 172.168.10.0 and 172.168.20.0. You need to add routes to networks 172.168.30.0 and 172.168.40.0. Use the following commands to add the static route. Close in that. Let's see here. So we're just going to go ahead and enter these configurations in, starting on number 1 and ignoring all this except for secret is Todd. Good to know. And let's see here. Is there another one? Oh yeah, Todd. Who's Todd? Okay. Configure NS GP, configure T, IP E, excuse me, but I cannot type and yeah, I have to tell it to myself out loud, so you can just go ahead and mute it if you haven't already. Okay. Now save the current configuration for the lab. So copy run start. And then press enter, building the configuration. So then on the lab B router, so this is lab A, here's the configuration that's all went through. Let's go to B. And you have direct connections to network 172.1.6.20 and 30. And you need to add the routes 10 and 40. Use the following commands. So CON FIGT IP 172.1.6.10.0. And then we're going to go 1640.0 and then 1630.2. Okay, and then exit out of there and copy start. Then we're going to go to router lab C and do the same thing for networks 1610.0. No. Do the same thing here for 1610.0 and 1620.0. So FIGT. 172.16.0. And then the same thing, but we're going to do 20.0, 20.0, and 30.1, so that's good. And then we're going to save that as well. SDR2. Way past my bedtime, guys. So, middle's there. It's okay. Whatever. Check your routing tables to make sure all 4 networks show by executing the show IP route command. Invalid placeholder, show. And then we can just show IP. And can we not do anything other than show IP? Sure, show IP. Oh. Jesus. So, maybe I spelled route wrong the last time I did it. Show IP ROUTE. Oh yeah, I did. ROUTE. UTE. Invalid placeholder, what the? So let's try. IP route. What are we doing? Static routes. Let's do static. Ta-da! Invalid placeholder. Seriously? Whatever. So it says now ping from each router to your hosts and from each router to each router. If it is set up correctly, it will work. So pretty sure our hosts, let's see here. We can ping, let me write this down real quick. Our host is 172.168.10.2. And the other one is 172.168.40.2. So we are on lab C. Let's see if we can ping host, whatever this is. 172.168.10.2. Success. And so from lab C, router C, let's see if we can do router A. So ping 172.168.21. Success. All right. I think you guys know how this ends. Let's try it on lab A, or aka router A, and we'll just ping our host, our other host. And our other host was 172.16.40.2 according to the topology. Success rate. Perfect. And we can, let's ping our router, let's just ping our router B. 172.16.30.1. I'm just going to make up numbers and ping them all. Ping 30.2. Ping 16.20.2. Success. All right, let's. Did we go to router B? Ping 172.16.40.2. Success. Let's go. Oh, let's go 40.1. Success. How about 10.1? Success. And oops, 20.1. All right, you get the hang of it. Okay, that's the end of that. We're going to move on to hands-on lab 9.2, configuring RIP routing. And we're going to remove any static routes or default routes configured on your routers by using the no IP route command. So let's start in lab A. I don't like that they named it lab. Let's do a new host name. So CONFIGT, and then host name R1. Thank the Lord, it's R1 now. Okay? Shit, that's not gonna go right. Whatever. It's R1 for right now. Okay. So, since we're still in configuration, no IP, note 172.16.30.0. Let me tell you how much I enjoy doing this and then undoing this. 6.20.2. And then we're going to do the same command and then just change it from a 30.0 to a 40.0. Enter. Cool. Do the same thing on router lab B and C. So let's go to B and we'll just leave it named the same. 20.2 and 30 and 40. So on router B, we do config 15, no ID, no 172.16.10.0. Oops. Same command, different IPs. 72.168.40.0 and then 255.172.163.0.2 and then let's see. We are gonna go IP 172.16.10.0 and 172.16.1 and the same command, different address, so it'll be a 172.20.0 and a 1630.1. All right. After your static and default routes are clear, go into configuration mode on lab A, and then excuse me. Oh, we're already in configuration mode. Tell your router to use RIP routing by typing in router RIP and pressing enter as shown here. Oh, good Lord. Add the network number for the networks you want to advertise. Since router lab A has two different interfaces that are in two different networks, you must enter a network statement using the network ID of the network in which each interface resides. Alternately, Alternately, you could use a summarization of the networks and use a single statement, minimizing the size of the routing table. Since the two networks are using 172.168.10.0/24 and 172.168.20.0/24, the network summarization 172.16.0.0 would include both subnets. Do this by typing in network. Okay. 172.16.0.0 and pressing enter. Press Ctrl C to get out of configuration mode. The interfaces on Lab B and Lab C are in the 20.0 and 30.0 networks. Therefore, the same summarized network statement will work there as well. Type the commands shown here. So let's go to B. Type in ROUTBR, RIP, and then 172.16.0.0. Oh, hello, .NET. Did I already say it was past my bedtime? 172.16. Have to have my beauty sleep. Ugh, I'm gonna be a zombie tomorrow. Oh, we have to do that on Lab C as well. Already in configuration mode. And then okay. Verify that RIP is running at each router by typing the following commands at each router. Show IP protocols. Show IP protocols. This should indicate to you that RIP is present on the router. So protocol is RIP. Oh my gosh, it works. And we'll do Control Z. That takes you back to the end. Possibly Control Z. Come on, what's going on? Alright, so let's try that again. Show and let's see here. Routing protocol is RIP. And we can go to A and show IP. And the routing protocol is RIP. Oh my gosh, it's like that. So then show IP route should have routes present with an R to the left of them, or show running configuration. We haven't saved the RIP protocol to the running configuration, so it wouldn't show up there. If you save your configurations by typing copy run start or copy running config startup config and pressing enter on each router, and then verify by pinging all remote networks and hosts. So copy run start. And that's on B. Here's A, C. Copy run start. And C. Now let's ping it good lord. I need to go back. Let's ping 172.16.10.2. Success. 172.16.20.1, which is Lab A. And then ping one more. What are we on? Lab C. Let's do Lab B. 172.16.30.2. Success. And vice versa, yada yada. You kind of get the gist. Here's, we'll go to Lab A. And let's ping the host 172.16.402. And this could go on for hours, but I'm not going to go on for hours because it's already almost a 30-minute video. Jesus. Catch me in my next one. See you later.